In this video, I'll show you how to work in 2x2 rib. This stitch creates textured vertical stripes and is used to make our message in a beanie. It's usually worked over a multiple of 4 stitches. Today we'll be using our new wave yarn in bronze olive and a pair of 5mm beechwood knitting needles. So let's get started. So after you've cast on your stitches, knit the first 2. Then bring your yarn round and purl the next 2. And there you go. You just need to be repeating these 2 steps. I'm just going to show you a couple more times. So I've just knit 2, bringing the yarn round and then purling the next 2. Again, just knitting 2 stitches and then purling the next 2. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.